Yeah, we have an incoming drone. We don't know where this drone came from. Do I have permission to shoot? Permission to shoot? Thank you. Here it goes. And oh, he's gone.
And there you have it. Head sections are in place, and that is the basic install of a conveyor feeding into silos or feeding into anything. Come up, find your center line, bring your bench supports, your legs up, make sure everything's level, hold them off, set your sections in place, make sure everything's good, and just work your way up to the top. So the guys are gonna finish bolting up everything up top. We're gonna move on to the next two conveyors and keep on going. And then from there, you know, we're gonna put gearbox. Usually we put the gearboxes and motors and stuff on. We don't have those at the moment, so we want to get all this in place so electricians can start doing their thing. And then we'll start pulling conveyor belt on and just getting everything ready and wrapped up. But I want to take you along for this little adventure. As always, thank you for watching. Tell your friends, subscribe, watch how we build the world one bolt at a time. And you know what, I'm not gonna drag up, but I'm gonna roll on out of here. Thanks for watching. Peace.